So LG has just announced new earbuds, and it's looking quite really good. The new HBS FN7s is pretty much an update to their FN6 true wireless earbud that was launched earlier this year. So the new earbud is going to give you better noise cancelling technology, and they are even adding a better refined Meridian audio processing in it. The noise cancelling is active, so it is quite powerful. That is what they claim that they have done on it. They claim is their most advanced true wireless earbud to date. Uh, the earbud pretty much comes with three microphones in the buds. You can use it to monitor and pretty much process multiple directional sound waves. It is also going to be able to hear what's around you. Say that most of these earbuds have this ambient mode that helps the individual that has them hear the surroundings and be able to use them the way that they would want to use it. So the HBS-7s, it's going to come with a Meridian EQ sound setting for you, giving you the best customization that you can possibly get. But you will certainly need the LG Tone Free app, which you can get on the Android and iOS device. You can use it to tune the HBS 7 earphone, and you'll be fine. You will certainly be fine. The battery life on it with the ANC off is 7 hours. That's on the buds itself, and for around 5 hours with ANC turned on. So it is quite good. If you're gonna use it with the case, it's 21 hours. Um, so it's quite nice. It's really nice. You can charge it for 5 minutes and get many hours out of it as well. Price for it is I wouldn't really say reasonable, but it's not too bad. It's $194. It's still a lot more expensive than the most popular flagships out there, and we shall see whether it's really a good set that deserves the $194 price tag. When people start getting their hands on it, we shall see whether it lives up to the hype. And that is it, guys. Be sure to follow us here on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content. I'll make sure I see you guys next time.